Could a peptide help protect damaged nerves and tissues? Enter Cibinetide, also known as ARA-290, or the way I like to call it, ARA-290, and those who get it, get it. It was developed based on a natural hormone we have called EPO. EPO helps the body create red blood cells. But scientists have discovered that EPO can also help send out signals to control inflammation and protect tissues. So researchers developed Cibinetide to help capture some of those protective effects without increasing the level of red blood cells in the body. This one also has been studied in human conditions for certain diseases involved with inflammation and nerve damage. Have you heard of ARA-290 before, or is this a new peptide for you? Say yes or no in the comments and let me know. Let's stay learning.